joint is crazy, man. How tall is the lift or something, bro?
25 inches. Man, it don't matter if what it is, whether swing is a blade or big boy truck. We ain't playing no games.
Way louder than FloJo. Look at him on that joint. They can just leave out their house and go get on a boat, man. And that's their boat. Oh, you get your own pier when you buy the house?
Yeah.
Well, guys, this will be the last time y'all see FloJo on the channel. So we got FloJo all loaded up, as y'all can see here. Man, there she goes. She is out of here, guys. So shout out to my guy Derek, bro. Derek, if you watch this video, man, appreciate your help. Derek helped me out, guys. Went up, got me all strapped down, because I never strapped the bike and I was worried about it. So he actually strapped me down, and then he actually provided me 2 more straps, man. So I appreciate it, Derek. But yeah, guys, that's it. FloJo's loaded up, red looking good. This is a good combo. Look at that right there. Boom. That's a hell of a good combo, man, with the black on the red. So anyway, guys, yeah, we about to go ahead, make our way down to Houston. Oh, before we do that, man, shout out to my guy Mobzilla, man. You know I had to do it. Look, he said just roll it, man, with the Nike check, with the lines. What they say, Gap Crew, GPCW. Hey, I don't be gapping nobody. I don't be gapping nobody, Mobzilla, man. You know, I'm a little slow, man. I'm just a little too heavy. But, man, I appreciate the merch. The merch is dope, man. So y'all shout out to him. Go check him out. I won't get to use the Gapplebee's keychain, man. I don't know when I'll be able to use it because FloJo going bye-bye. But yeah, man, we about to get ready to head out. And I'm just going to talk to y'all when I get to the buyer. But yeah, we'll catch y'all here in a second. All right, what's up, guys? So I made it to the hotel, man. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick hotel tour. Door, restroom, full-length mirror, 2 beds. Tell y'all a story about that. I can see the room, pretty cool. Anyway, guys, so funny story. I actually booked the room. I got to the hotel, and the guy, I told him about my reservation, and he was like, I don't have a reservation here for that name. And I was like, you sure? And he's like, yeah, he checked. And he gave my first name. He's like, oh, he was like, yeah, it says for the 11th, Thursday. I was like, yeah, Thursday, today. He's like, today's the 3rd. I'm like, oh, dang it. So luckily, he had an open room and was able to switch my room and all that. But he did tell me if I would have paid in advance, I would have been stuck and had to pay twice. So lucky I didn't pay, I waited to pay at the hotel. So anyway, so I'm at the hotel, man. FloJo is with her new owner, dropped off tonight. We're gonna meet the individual tomorrow. I'll just tell y'all later why I decided officially to sell the bike. With that being said, I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, guys, so this FloJo, her new Element, gonna be her new home. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all who the owner is. I'm gonna just show you the bike. You automatically gonna know who the new owner is. I'll show you his bike. Look. So this is his second BMW. So this is his primary. So y'all probably know who the man is. Look. Y'all know who the man is already. So yeah, you know, he just can't stay away from the BMWs. So look, there you go. Yeah, I record. What's up, boy Q? So you know, Jack didn't bought FloJo, man. Jack done bought it.
What you say?
Huh?
Let people know.
Yeah, I had to let them know that you done bought FloJo, bro. Look, I'm just gonna show them this bike. They automatically gonna know who it is, bro. So if y'all didn't know, me and Jack talked about buying FloJo, what, 2 or 3 times?
Yeah.
And last time the paperwork, he would stop mowing as soon as I'm editing. Vlogging.
Go to the front.
All right. Real quick, so I had a question. How do we get the bike loaded up on my lifted truck? It is lifted 6 inches. So good thing with Jack house, where he stays, the driveway, we backed it in here. So the elevation was about to, you know, we had the ramp. So the elevation was, the truck was sitting lower than the elevation of the driveway. So it made it real easy to load on the truck. So if you loading on a lifted truck, just try to find somewhere where the ground is higher than the bed of the truck. That way you can just put the ramps and roll it up. So that's how we did it, if you wonder.
Say goodbye?
Yeah, I mean, it's goodbye, man. Bye, FloJo. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, we about to ride up to the park. Let Jack ride it real quick. Huh? Yeah, you still flat-footing it. Look at her, he's smiling. Woo, she sound good, boy, I'm telling you. All right. Boy, this thing right here, bro, is set up to freaking ride. Way louder than FloJo. So anyway, guys, we about to ride up, just get Jack, see how he like it. See how he like, give him a little shot on it. Ooh, she look good from behind though, man. Look at him on that joint. Ooh, she sound good. Yeah. Look at her. Yeah. got a good sound to it though. Oh, Jack on Flojo. It's crazy how much bigger, smaller he looks on it than I do. I make Flojo look like a 250 sometimes, guys, like for real. And Jack make it look like a 1000cc. So anyway, guys, like I was saying, me and Jack, he almost bought this bike by what, a month ago?
Yeah.
Real close, and I changed my mind, and then, you know what, we got back from New York, and I was like, man, I'm ready. I just was ready to sell it, man. I don't know why I was just ready. So anyway, you guys, so yeah, Jack bought it, man. I can't wait to see what he do to this joint, man.
I see what you're talking about with the gold.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? And this came together.
Damn, this is gonna be tough, man.
That's what I was saying. And then you see how this gold is different from, well, actually those golds match up pretty good.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's what I was saying. I don't know if you want to stick with gold. And actually, I did a terrible job, bro. I tried to paint that. It's really not that color. It's not black, but it's terrible. It might. If you get any residue from heat, it's probably just the paint.
The paint, okay.
Yeah.
It's all good, man. Trust you. I'm gonna get it right.
Yeah, I know you'll get it right, man. Yeah, y'all go follow Jack, man. He gonna take
it's home for me, so.
Yeah. This your what? You said 8th BMW? 7th? 8th? It's 8 BMW, guys. So y'all go follow, man. See what he gonna do to the joint. I'm excited to see what he do to it. I already tell you, it's gonna be about that low. It'll be about that low.
No, I got some plans for it before I even start, you know, doing all the full mods and stuff. But I got some plans for it.
Okay. Of course, y'all know if y'all haven't seen this bike, Zoclo. Boom. You gonna change the name, I'm sure.
I'm trying.
You think about it?
See.
It's gonna name. They gonna save itself. Okay. All right.
right.
That's who bought the bike. Jack bought the bike, man. I'm happy it came to Jack. You know, somebody else I know it's gonna be taken care of. You know, so. I think that's the other reason why it's easier too, because like I know where it's going, you know, and it's probably gonna look better than what I have it now. So it's probably gonna be an upgrade for Flojo as opposed to kicking it with me. All right, guys, so this gonna be my last ride on Flojo. You feel me? Yeah. Oh, girl, it's been fun, baby. It's been hella fun, man. I appreciate everything you did for your boy Q, man. Oh, Flojo gone, guys. Y'all stay tuned here. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a second. That's all she wrote. That's the last time, guys. You saw? Huh? It look good? Yeah, man, you can't go wrong with that black. But you know what's crazy though, bro? Like when you just went to Mexico, like how clear the water is there as opposed to here, bro. That is gross, man. You can't even see the top of the water.
It's a lake though.
That's the back of the house?
That's the back of the house, yeah.
Dang, that's dope. That's dope. That's goals right there, man.
Remember when Harvey hit?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
The water was up to their pool.
What? Dang. And the swimming pools where these bricks at, I'm sure. Like, wow, bro. So you couldn't even come down here.
Nope.
That's crazy. How long did it take the water to reside?
Like 2 or 3 days, maybe.
Man, that's crazy. Hey, this cool though, man. They can just leave out their house and go get on a boat, bro. And that's their boat.
They get on pier, yeah.
Oh, you get your own pier when you buy the house?
Yeah. If you got a house on the lake, you get your own pier.
Okay, I'm surprised how that's not $1 million, bro. I thought you get your own pier. They got a nice size little boat too, and 2 jet skis.
This is good.
Where? Yeah, and a boat. That's dope, man. Man, this is a gorgeous view though, bro. Bro, people live this life. I'm telling y'all, hey man, this should be goals for y'all, bro. I'm telling y'all, man, chase your dreams, man. Let's happen.
This water is dirty, man.
I told you, boy. Boy, like straight out the sewer line, boy. The sewer line right to this lake.
I'm telling you. It has like a bluish tint to it sometimes, but it's actually very dirty right now.
Told you. Y'all got sewer water in here, boy. Don't drink it. This is gorgeous, though, bro. Look right here, man. Sheesh. Bro, that's hard. What's up, boss? That joint is crazy, man. What's up, man? I got a YouTube channel, bro.
Come on.
Yeah, dirty.
You should have been at my show last weekend.
Man, I'm from Dallas, though.
We had probably 7,000 to 8,000 people at Texas Hold'em show.
Oh, at Texas Hold'em, yeah, I heard about it. I heard about it.
It's big. That's my show. Me and one of my partners in the course.
Okay.
That's my truck as well.
Yeah.
Dirty Max.
The Dirty Max, y'all go follow him. I'm got you, bro. Dirty Max, Texas Hold'em. Yeah, man, this is clean. I think I came down for LST. Were you at straight up off-road shop?
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen this truck there as well, bro.
That's who built it.
Oh, did he? Okay.
Ryan and them.
Okay. Yeah. Man, beautiful truck, bro. I see you flying around this thing. Well, how tall is the lift and stuff, bro?
25 inches.
And what's your tires? Wheels, tire setup?
30 by 16s on 42 series. American Ford. You ain't playing no games.
Yeah, you ain't playing no games, bro.
Hey, do everything bigger.
Bro, so I realized in Houston, y'all ride wider and bigger than we do in Dallas.
Man, it don't matter what it is, whether swingers a blade or big boy truck. We ain't playing no games now, baby.
I feel you, bro. Hey, y'all go check my guy, man.
Hey, man, and I'll follow you back, man. We'll link up.
Yeah, Kicking It With Q, bro.
Already.
Yes, sir. All right, bro.
Have a good one.
Yes, sir. You too, bro. Ooh, that boy hard, man. Yes, sir. So why did I sell a bike? So you're probably wondering, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel out all the thoughts you may be having in your head. No, my wife is not pregnant. No, my wife did not make me sell the bike. No, it's not because we're buying a house. Neither three of those case, guys. We actually have already been pre-approved for houses. We just are literally on a waiting list to get a freaking house. Like, we just gotta wait. And the thing about my wife, she is very supportive for what I do. Even though she doesn't like me riding motorcycles, she has her reasons. She did see me wreck one time. She saw me go down. And the second time she got the call at like 10 o'clock at night, like, hey, back then we was in a relationship, your boyfriend, you know, Quincy's been in a wreck on the interstate. So she has a reason to be scared. I don't blame her. But she has never not once made me stop riding. She tell me, she's like, I don't like it, but you know, it's your life. That's what you want to do. So I respect my wife for that. I love her for that. Thank you, baby, for being supportive. It goes a long way, trust me. And I bring it up because I hear a lot of guys say, oh man, I want to get a bike. In the comments, oh man, I would love to get a bike, but my wife won't let me buy one. And how I see that, guys, I married my wife to find a partner, someone who goes through life with you. I didn't marry my mama. I left my mama's house at 18. My mom used to tell me what I could do, what I can't do. And out of respect for your mom, you listen. I respect my wife. Just because I don't listen to my wife don't mean I don't respect my wife. So I'm sorry, I'm a grown man. If I want something, and if she wants something and it's not gonna put us in financial jeopardy, it's okay. It should be okay. It shouldn't be, oh, I don't want you to do that, so you can't do it. That's just, to me, that's just not how a marriage should work. A marriage is a partnership. Someone you, like I said, going through life with, you love, but it's not a dictatorship. It's not your mom. I'm not trying to be her. She's not trying to be my mom, and I'm not trying to be her dad. She has a daddy. I have a mama. You know, so we're not trying to be each other's parents. I'm not looking for her to be my parent. So when I want to buy something, like I said, unless it's putting us in jeopardy, you know, she's okay with it. I mean, it's fine. You know, she understands that I like stuff that she probably don't care for, and that stuff she does, that she has her own things too, that I'm like, what? You know, but anyway, that's what I'm saying. We're not each other's parents. She's a grown woman. I'm a grown man. We both work hard. We get to enjoy the fruits of our labor. So that's my point on that. So I'm not telling you how to run your marriage, but it's just me and my wife have kind of came to agreement. You know, that's just kind of how we work on things. We communicate on everything, but that's just how it works for us. Like, we're not trying to boss each other around. Like, that's just not how we do. We respect each other, and we understand that there's things that we both like to partake in, and we both work hard for those things to partake in. So that's my thought on that. Why I sold the bike? I sold the bike, one, it's gonna sound crazy. The one about the storage issue, that was kind of bugging me a little bit after a while. Two, if you're a car person or truck person, motorcycle, it really don't matter. You kind of know what I'm about to say. I never felt connected to the bike. When I say that, like, it was a great bike. The BMW is an amazing machine. I probably didn't even tap into the potential of the bike. I never rode it in slick mode, never took it to the track. You know, the bike has a lot of untapped potential that I didn't get into. So it's nothing against the BMW. I just never personally felt connected to it. Like, it's hard to say. It'll sound weird. Like, red, I'm connected to red. Like, red is my baby. Like, if the thought of selling her makes me kind of touch my heart. Like, no, you know, want to cry. Not really, but you know what I'm trying to say. But when it came to the BMW, I never had that thought as if I sold it, that I would regret it or it hurt really, really bad. You know, I always was willing to sell it. And I went back and forth like 3 times about selling and finally pulled the trigger on doing it. So it just never was that connection. I actually felt more connected to my 1996 or 1999 ZX9R Zola. I loved that bike. I was so connected to Zola, like that was my girl, you know. So when I lost her, it hurt. But yeah, I just never felt the connection. And also with the BMW 2, I'm a big guy, 6'2", you know, about 300 plus pounds, 320 in full gear. The bike fit me, but I did feel a little cramped on it. Now you probably say, Q, you a big dude, you ain't gonna fit comfortable on any motorcycle set like a ZX14 or a Busa, you know. But actually, y'all see my videos when I went to New York, I actually fit very well on both Ducatis. Even the V2 Ducati, I fit very, very well on that, getting the car. I was able to fit very well on the Ducati V2 guys, and the Dumongous 1199. I probably looked big on them, but I felt very comfortable. Yeah, those are really the main two reasons. I just never really felt connected with the bike, man. Like I was always willing to move on from it. Now what's next? You probably wonder what's next. You get a car, what's gonna do? You get a new bike? Honestly, I don't know, guys. Right now I don't have my eye on anything. The house is a primary focus right now. You know, having the bike, having the truck, trying to do YouTube videos for both was kind of getting a little taxing. Trying to, you know, find mods for the bike. I was thinking about doing a full exhaust, bring tune and all that. And I just I knew I didn't want to do that because I knew I wanted to sell the bike. That's why I never put that much work into it besides cosmetic stuff, because I always was willing to part ways with it. Now that it's gone, I feel no regret. I'm relieved, like, whew, kind of got that off my, you know, kind of got that off my plate. Now, of course, when I see people ride in the summertime, it is riding season. Of course, I'm thinking back like, dang, you know, I wish I could ride. I'm always gonna want to ride, right? I'm not gonna not miss riding. Yeah, right now I'm at peace with the decision to sell it. So, I mean, that's really the reason I sold it, man. I just wasn't connected to the bike and the storage issue, like I was saying. And then, like I said, we're buying a house, but no, the price of the bike and the loan did not impact us buying a house. I was talking to my boy Jack, and he was just like, hey man, just, you know, his recommendation, he's like, bro, just get the house first and then go back and get you a bike. And like he was saying, you're gonna be able to enjoy it a lot more being in your own garage. You can walk right outside your front door to the garage or wherever your garage is and work on your bike, take it with your bike, ride your bike, as opposed to like keeping stuff in the storage. I got stuff at the house, and like sometimes I forget stuff. I had to go back to the storage, like all type of stuff. So that's it, man. That's the reason I sold it. What's coming up next? Like I said, I don't know. We'll see. I'm not, like I said, I don't have my eye on anything right now. I'm just going with it, saving the money and see what happens, guys. But hopefully you guys who were here for the bike content stay around. I don't know if we'll have another bike on channel. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm just chilling right now. We just chilling. We gonna try to get Red kind of finished up here, and yeah. But anyway, man, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. Congrats, man. Y'all go follow boy Jack. Be quick, man. Go follow him. I'm telling y'all, FloJo is gonna look completely different from what I did to it, from what Jack's probably gonna do. I guarantee you guys. So I'm definitely go check him out. Go follow that build, because I'm pretty sure he gonna do some stuff with it. Every bike Jack touches be dope. So I'm about to get back on the road to Dallas, man. About a 4-hour drive, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.